Hey everyone and welcome back. Want to extract action items from meetings and keep your notes organized using Fathom Free Plan? Let me show you how. First, after your meeting ends, open the Fathom Recap. Look for the action item section. This is automatically generated from your conversation. Each action item shows who is responsible and the suggested next step. Fathom pulls this from natural speech like "I will send that" or "John will update the doc." To save an action item, hover over it and click the copy icon. Paste it directly into your task manager like Todoist, Asana, or Notion. For the 5 most important meetings each month, you get premium action items with better detection accuracy. After that, you get standard action items which still work but need more manual review. To keep your notes organized, create folders or tags in your task manager by client name or project. Then paste each meeting's action items into the correct folder. For a complete workflow, after every meeting, copy action items to your task manager, assign due dates, and mark when complete. At the end of each week, review your completed action items against your Fathom recaps to ensure nothing was missed. Pro tip, use consistent naming in your task manager like client name dash meeting date so you can search and find past action items instantly. And that is it. Extract action items from Fathom, paste into your task manager, and stay on top of follow-ups. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.